Guys, Cadillac EXT Escalade. Really clean truck. It's got 50,000 miles on the new engine, 180 on the body. It's still holding up really nice. It's a clean, good looking truck. They're very comfortable. I used to have one of these. Anyways, let me show you guys what we've done. Converter, then flex pipe, then 3-inch pipe. Then we replaced the stock muffler, as you guys can see there, with a Flowmaster Super 10, part number 842518. Right there, offset, 3-inch in, 3-inch out. Flowmaster Super 10. Then 3-inch pipe goes on top. And then we took the resonator out and installed that MagnaFlow tip in its place. Part number 35146, right there. Angle cut, they're not clean, as you guys can see. And then I'm gonna show you what we did before. So we cut off the muffler. That's the muffler that was on it. That's the resonator that was on it. And that's the old school tip that was on it. We took all that off and replaced it. So we gave it some liposuction or weight reduction, lighter, more power, and a lot better sound. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. All right, here we go. EXT Cadillac with Flowmaster Super 10. That's it right there. That's got the 6.0 in it, don't it? Oh, even better. What year is it? 2007 with a 6.2 in it. Oh, that sounds so clean. Sound decibels on idle. This is revving up. Go ahead. Right at 104. That's perfect. Go ahead and back it up. As you guys can see, we always put smiles on people's faces. That's what we do best. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. This is our beautiful shop at 3560 Dickerson Pike, right down the street from Skyline Hospital. There's our phone number at 612-6244. Give us a call. Go ahead. I think he likes it too. Who did it better, the caddy or the caddy? Two caddies is still rubbing it. That sounds really nice. Let me let you guys hear it on the inside. Cadillac Escalade EXT 2007 with a 6.2. Did a Flowmaster Super 10 swap and resonator delete with 4-inch tip. Get my clean and nice. Show you guys what it looks like out the back. We did it out the side, it's a lot cleaner. You guys can see right there. That's clean. It sounds good.